Hey there! Today I'm excited to share some secrets to achieving inner peace and lasting wellness. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected. But the journey to inner peace starts with just a few simple steps. First, practice mindfulness. Being present in the moment can transform your life. Try starting your day with a few minutes of meditation or deep breathing exercises. It helps to center your mind and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Next, nurture your body. What you consume directly affects how you feel. Opt for nourishing foods that fuel your body and mind. Remember, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water to stay refreshed and energized. Don't forget to move. Regular physical activity, whether it's yoga, walking, or dancing, boosts your mood and keeps your body healthy. Find an activity you love and make it a part of your daily routine. Connecting with nature is another powerful secret. Spend time outdoors, soak in the sunlight, and breathe in the fresh air. Nature has a way of calming our minds and rejuvenating our spirits. Lastly, cultivate gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. Remember, achieving inner peace and lasting wellness is a journey. Be patient with yourself and embrace each step along the way. Thanks for watching, and here's to your path to inner peace and wellness. Take care.